life hella risky. I just want memory. She don't wanna ever leave. Leave a legacy. We're sipping on the back. Mixing like it's suck of me. I'm fixing an anatomy. We're living life lavishly. We live it like a fantasy. I get too drunk, but every time I wake up I think I love being hungover. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I get too drunk, but every time I wake up I think to myself I love